Ever opened your Visual Studio project after upgrading a .NET, say from ASP.NET Core 3.1 to .NET 10, like in the video that is under consideration? You suddenly got this message: this operation is not supported when the project is loaded from cache. Now don't panic, this one is not your fault. It is not your code's fault either. It's Visual Studio holding on to old cached data. So in the next few minutes, or rather next 2 minutes to be exact, I will show you exactly how to resolve this error and why it happens permanently and fast. In this video, I will tell you a solution to this problem which is appearing in Visual Studio, where I am running a Docker project, Docker Blazor server demo, but I wish to change it to from the Docker profile to Docker Blazor server demo or IIS profile. So each of these is coming up with this error. This operation is not supported when the project is loaded from cache created in the previous session. Should you encounter this message while using this product, kindly report the issue to us via VS feedback. A potential workaround is bringing the project out of the cache mode before using the current feature, including adding a file to the project or bringing up the project properties page. So this happens even with the IIS Express. So what is the workaround? How do I solve this problem? Let's get back to. So I will try this path: file and then close solution, and I will come to the folder that is hosting this project, copied the path where it is running from. I have copied this path, opened my Windows Explorer, paste it over here. So I don't need the solution. I'll go to the root folder from where the solution is existing, and I have come to this. Now first thing is to delete this .vs folder. So I'll delete this. Try again. Okay. Because being open, so I just close this solution, close it, and then try again. And I have removed the .vs folder. What I'll do, I'll straight away go to the solution file. So, and open the project, and then try to get to the IIS or Docker file server demo profile. So this time I'm able to do that. Alright, so this problem is sorted. I'll try the other profile, IIS Express. So I'm able to run from the IIS Express also. And I have now run this application with Control plus F5, and it is loading correctly. Blazor application is working correctly. Alright, with the data counter and home. So that is the resolution of this problem. So here is what is happening, Now Visual Studio keeps a temporary cache of your project to open solutions faster. It's stored inside a hidden folder called the .vs folder in your project directory. But when you upgrade your project, for example from .NET 3.1 to .NET 10, the cache data inside that folder still points to the old project configuration and SDK references. So when Visual Studio tries to switch run profiles or build, it gets confused because the cached metadata no longer matches your new setup. The fix is super simple. Just close Visual Studio, delete the .vs folder, reopen the solution, and everything rebuilds cleanly from scratch.